Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. If your Microsoft Store, you're unable to download anything you're trying and it's stuck, it says downloading, but it doesn't download, it doesn't install anything from Microsoft Store. So we are going to do very few steps, and please make sure that you do it in a sequence wise so that it becomes effective and the issue will be fixed. All right, so the very first step here is to do the right click in the start icon and then click on run. And here type WSRESET like this. Once you have typed it, click on OK. So this will actually open up your Microsoft Store and it will clean up the cache from your computer. Now the second step is to click on the start icon and then open your File Explorer. You can also search File Explorer and go to this PC and look at the C drive space. How much space you have actually. So please ensure that you have at least 10 to 15 GB free in your C drive. All right, that's important. That's a must thing. And here, once you see if your C drive is full, then remove the junk, remove the cache by just doing a right click and click on run and then type clean mgr. Like this, and click on OK. And this will open up the disk cleanup utility. Remove all the junk, and if you have some larger files, audio or video files or anything, you can remove those unwanted folders and files so that you have space in your PC. So this is the second step which we need to do. All right. So if you have checked you have a lot of space, then we will move to the next step. And the next step is to click on the search icon, type CMD. Now we need to repair. We have cleaned the cache. We have ensured that we have sufficient space, and now we are repairing the computer. So click on run as administrator and click on yes. And once your command prompt is opened, please ensure it's a administrator command prompt. And here you need to type sfc /scan now like this. So this is a Microsoft System File Checker tool. And you just need to hit enter. It will begin the system scan. This might take 5 to 10 minutes. Let it complete and then restart the computer. All right. So once this is done, try to use your Microsoft Store. And if it still have issues, the last step which we need to follow, and it should be done in your computer, is to update the Microsoft Windows. So just do the right click, go to settings. And at the left hand side, click on Windows Updates. Please ensure you have installed all the latest updates in your computer. All right. So if you have tried so many things and you're unable to download anything from the Microsoft Store apps, then this is a must step. Update your Windows and then restart your computer and then try to download and install anything from your Microsoft Store, and I'm sure that you will be able to download apps from Microsoft Store. All right, please do let me know in the comment section if you have successfully fixed this problem, and if you still have issues, please do let me know in the comment section that yes, you have tried all the steps and still it's not working. I'll try my best to fix this problem. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.